three, four. 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겨.
Hey subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So today is February 5, Saturday, 7:22 a.m. and today we're gonna go to Robinsons Supermarket to go grocery shopping on a budget. And today I'm with my cousin because she's gonna help me pick up stuffs from the grocery. And as much as possible talaga, we try to go early sa mga supermarket if nag-grocery kami para walang tao, less people. And also para, you know, ma-maintain yung social distancing. Kasi diba pag mga 12 ka na pumunta sa supermarket, marami na yung tao. So, yeah, as much as possible, be early pag pupunta kayo ng mga grocery, supermarket, or whatever, or mga malls. 8 a.m. kasi mag-open yung supermarket dito sa amin. So, it's now 7:24 and it's time to go kasi magla-line pa yan, diba? Magla-line pa yan hanggang sa, sa dulo ng mundo. So, this is my outfit lang for today. Super simple. Naka-black crop top lang ako na long sleeves, tsaka trousers, doll shoes. And of course, don't forget your mask and face shield kasi hindi kayo makakapasok ng mga establishments without it. Also, I brought with me my alcohol and also my phone para, kasi dito tayo magbabayad later.
Thank you.
Okay, since it's almost Valentine's, I'm planning to make chicken cordon bleu. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm wearing mask and face shield. Pero yung uunahin namin is yung mga non-perishable goods. And I already have the list here on my phone para alam namin kung ano yung kukunin and para mas madali kami dito sa grocery and hindi kami magtagal since we also have to take consideration of the people waiting outside since limited lang yung makakapasok sa supermarket. So, garlic powder, ground black pepper, floral leaves, and minced garlic. The best. This brings back so much memories. So, kukuha ko ng dalawa kasi I'm in school. Yan yung palagi naming snacks sa school. Real mayonnaise. This is for the kinilaw. For the sandwich, this one. Actually, this one Mas makakatipid kayo nito guys kaysa dito sa bottle. This one is 143.25. Tapos, ito is 157. So, yung binabayaran nyo lang talaga dito guys is yung jar niya.
Same weight.
Same weight ba? 470 ml and 470 ml. Ito yung kinain namin kagabi guys. Kinuha ko lang from their store. So, kukuha tayo ng dalawa. Kasi this was super good. Ang cute! Meron ng M&M's na singles. Don't know. Ito yung favorite ko na chocolate for my mom and me. Kasi walang magbibigay sa amin. So, this is cooked ham for the chicken cordon bleu, guys. Thank you. Tinawagan kami ni mommy kanina na wag na bumili ng chicken since meron ng chicken sa bahay. So, ham na lang. And now, we're gonna get ice cream para sa, sa Valentine's. Kami lang magde-date doon sa bahay. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This one's the cheapest ice cream pero masarap. Super underrated na ice cream na to. You should try it.
Check out. nasa 99.90. Yay!
Hey guys, update. We just got home and nag-text na sa akin yung PayMaya sa cashback ko. I've received 50 balikbayad for paying using PayMaya QR. So you can get up to 250 pesos cashback when paying using PayMaya QR, and you can maximize the 250 pesos cashback rewards by paying via PayMaya QR for your grocery purchases up to 5 times. What I like about PayMaya is that it makes paying safer since it's a leader of contactless payments, because you don't have to get your money from your bag pa, and yung cashier, if ever meron kang like sukle, diba? Ilalagay mo pa siya sa, mahahawakan mo pa siya and everything. The app makes it simple to keep tabs on your online activity and makes it easier to stick to a budget. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have no PayMaya yet, I will leave a link down below so that you guys can register to get 100 pesos for free. So don't pay cash, PayMaya. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!